Oh hey loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Nneka Olisa here. If this is the first time I'm seeing my face on YouTube, you are most definitely welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey guys, thanks for clicking on this video. Now in today's video, I want to share with you guys my recent purchase. Like the title of this video already says, you know that it's a ring light unboxing, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. Now if this is the content you want to see on this video, you want to keep on watching. Alright, I want to tell you guys a backstory before this whole thing happened. I'm a kind of person who wants to buy the latest gadgets. I want to have the latest camera, I want to have the latest tripod, I want to have a microphone, I want to have the beautiful backdrops, you know, when it comes to posting videos on YouTube, because I believe that what you give out is what you get. So when I started posting on YouTube, I went on to buy a tripod stand and a microphone because I need something to hold my phone while I'm filming, and I also need something to enhance my audio while I'm talking. So I went on to buy those two major purchases. But ever since, I've been dreaming of buying a ring light. Like I've been wanting to buy a ring light. Right now I am filming with my room light, which is not so bright, but it is bright. I've been using this for a couple of months now. Sometimes I film with natural light. You know, filming with natural light is one of the best lights you can actually film it. If you're a beginner, I advise to start with your natural light before going on to buy a ring light. So far so good. I did enjoy the experiences. If I'm to choose, I'll always choose a natural light to the artificial lights, because it just there is free, you understand, and then it just helps enhance your video quality. But there are so many limitations when it comes to filming with natural light. You don't know when to rain. Again, with my room, we don't have a great source of natural light, so I have to like film in the living room or just different places in my house, which I find very inconvenient. I have always wanted to get a ring light or just an artificial light to help me film even when it's cloudy, even when the weather is not so bright. I checked out prices online. I went on to AliExpress. The microphone I'm using right now, I actually ordered it from AliExpress, and it took over a month to come down to Nigeria. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do this with this ring light purchase. I prefer to buy from a Nigerian vendor or a Nigerian store. And I made my find list. I went online, searched for online stores, and the prices I was seeing for these ring lights were just ridiculous. And one thing about most Instagram vendors is that what you see online is not what you get. The tripod I'm using, I ordered it from an Instagram vendor, and the quality is trash. Like, when I mean trash, it's trash. So I'm like, okay, I'll never make this mistake. I would prefer to go to the store to purchase it myself, to see the product I'm buying, and then pay cash if I have to. So this year I made a 2021 goals. It's written here, everything is just written on the wall here. I'll show you guys later. I made a goal. I wrote out things that I would like to have this year, and purchasing a ring light is one of them. So afterwards, I'll just go ahead and tick off that ring light box. I finally had the money to buy it. Before I went on to buy this ring light, there was this little voice in my head that was telling me, don't buy this ring light, but I have to kill that little voice inside me, you know, because it's part of my goals, it's part of what I want to purchase this year. And I've already set it at the back of my mind that I really need this thing if I really want to start putting out content consistently, and great content on YouTube. So I went on, regardless of the little voice that was telling me, don't buy it, save your money, or use your money to do another thing. I'm like, at the end of the day, I'll actually use this money to buy something else, which might not be relevant to me, you get. So it's best I invest this money into YouTube. I woke up one morning and I took myself to a store close to my place. There's a market close to my house, not really close to my house, but at least it's a stone throw from my house. So I made a decision that I was going to buy this ring light, and I did. So enough of that rambling. I think it's high time I just show you guys this ring light. This is my new baby. It's a 14 inches ring light. It's a non-rechargeable ring light. They plug to the light and then it comes on. If you unplug it, it doesn't come on. And then I can actually use a power bank to power it when there's no light. Okay, it's time for the review. And this is what the ring light, this is how it looks like. This is what it came in. I went to the store, they tested it for me, and I made sure it was working, because It's best I buy gadgets that I see than ordering from online. Like I said, I purchased my tripod and my microphone online. The microphone took ages to come and the tripod quality was just trash. So it was the best for me to go to the store to purchase this. If you don't know, I stay in Port Harcourt and I live in Nigeria, and I bought it from my one market. If you were wondering where I got it, I was just so happy to see this while I was coming back from work one day, and I was like, okay, I'll go buy this thing by myself instead of ordering it online. And the prices online were just ridiculous. I would see a 14 inches non-rechargeable ring lights going for about 30 something K. I was like, no, I have to go to the market myself, price this thing, and then get the best quality and best price for myself. It comes with a cord where you can just plug online and plug to the ring light. It comes with a remote. This is the remote it comes with, and this is what it looks like. This just literally enables you, operate the ring light itself, change the color, if you want to do, increase the brightness, reduce the brightness. Any other functionality is what this remote will give you. And then this is the actual ring light. This is what it comes in. I am so excited about the size of this ring light. Unlike the 10 inches ring light I wanted to go for, that one was so small, but this one, at least this one is giving me that 18 inches ring light feel, but this is actually 14 inches. It comes in this packaging, this foam like thing, and then when you review it, this is what it comes in. It comes with a 2 phone holder, which I'm very, very happy for. This was one of the major reasons why I went for this. It comes with this 2 phone holder, which is really, really good and nice. And then at the back it has this functionality, and then it has off and on button and the place where you can connect your USB to your power bank if you want to use your power bank. And then it has this place where you can connect this cord to, and then plug to the light. So this is what the ring light looks like, and I am so happy for this purchase. Like this went for a good price. This comes with a tripod stand as well, which I'm so excited about, because now I have 2 tripod stands, and I'm so happy. I'm so happy. This one I got from this crappy Instagram vendor, can rest for a while. I just love it. It's long. This one I got from an Instagram vendor is just way too short. With this one, it can go as long as any length I want it to. It's even my height, I think, and I'm almost 5'10", and this is almost 5'10", which I'm very, very happy about. I'll just set it up for you guys to see. So I'm trying to walk around this ring light. I want to take this thing inside. It's taking forever. Okay, I think I've got it. So you take it down like this. Is so long. Can you guys see the length of this? So like I said, you can place your phone here and use it with the ring light, or you can actually use your tripod as well. But for today, let's see if I can use my phone with my tripod. I'm back and I have my ring light switched on, plugged the light like I said. So the remote uses a battery. So you want to make sure you have the battery available for you to use for this whole technicality. So I'm going to just put in my battery into my remote, and I'll go ahead to cover it up. So that is my remote all set up. Right now this light is in the cool color, I think so. So I'll just go ahead to show you guys the different colors it has and all of that good stuff. So we'll go ahead to change it to red. It's red now. So we'll go ahead to change it to green. It's green. We'll go ahead to change it to blue. It's blue. You can actually increase the lights if you want to, and you can decrease it. If you press the cool color button, it comes on in a white light. You can increase this light and you can actually decrease it if you want to. So all of that, you can do that with your remote. You can increase it. I love the way it's looking right now, and then you can decrease it if you want to. So when you go to this K minus, let's see what it does. Okay, it changes the light color to warm. Okay, this is amazing. This is amazing. Then when we go to K plus, which is written here, let's see what it does. Okay, it takes the light back to white, which is so amazing. It's so amazing. Okay, so this remote also has an off and on button, so I'll just go ahead to press the off button. Let's see what it does. Okay, then it goes off. Once you press the off button, it goes off, and you can see that my room light is not so bright, but once you press the on button, it comes back on. This is so amazing. So in the remote again, there's a cool color and there's a warm color. So we'll go ahead to press the warm color, and then it goes to this settings, which is a bit sunny like, and then we'll go back to cool color. It goes back to white, which is so amazing. I'm in love with this whole thing. Okay guys, I think I'll go for the warm color. I prefer the warm color, and then I'll decrease the brightness this way. I don't know how does it look like. I'm not seeing myself. Okay, let's go for the cool color, which is the white. This is a bit bright. Okay, this is amazing. This is so amazing. This just literally this will make me film even at night. I'll buy a power bank which will enable me film even if I don't have a light. But right now there's never light. But once the light goes off, I can't use this room light, which means I have to get a power bank. The power bank I have is not working on it. It's just this very small earpod power bank thing, so it's not working on it. So which means I have to get a bigger power bank, which is what I'll do this week or next week, but it won't pass me by. So that is that for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video.